Hey y'all, IRIX guy here, and I'm going to start turning the pedals here, and we're going to explain something. So, you've asked about Schwinn IC4 RPM and cadence. You know, does the Schwinn IC4 display RPM or cadence on the integrated computer? And the answer is yes. And when you first look at the computer, you may see this, okay, P is pulse, level, that'll go between 0 to 100. You just turn the knob to adjust it. Distance is virtual distance traveled. Speed is either miles per hour, kilometers per hour. Calories, estimated calories burned. Time, the duration of your ride. But it says RPM up here, but where's RPM? Well, watch this. See, you see 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. I'm going to turn this pedal, and I'm not pedaling with my feet because I got dress clothes on, but I'm going to pedal with my hand. Now you can see that orange bar. See that orange bar that's moving as I pedal? Let me reduce the resistance here. I'm pedaling with my hand, but you can see that orange bar is moving on the very top. Now watch when I stop pedaling. See this orange bar up here? Now it's going down close to 0. Now it's at 0. So that's how you view RPM or cadence. And curiously enough, at least to my knowledge, and correct me if I'm wrong, at least to my knowledge, RPM and cadence is the same thing. Now, if I'm incorrect with that statement, let me know. But from my research and what others have said, they've suggested that RPM and cadence is the same thing. So if it's not, please comment below and correct me. It is worth mentioning, this bike displays, it says RPM. So it doesn't say cadence on the bike, it says RPM. But again, I've heard that RPM and cadence is apparently the same thing. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And if you're shopping for the IC4, the mat, the shoes, the other accessories like I use, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find it all there. Thanks for your viewership and best of luck with your fitness goals. Y'all have a good one. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership and y'all have a good day.